Hey guys, I just want to quickly show you how to make a graph using Excel. So what I've got at the moment is my Excel document open and I've just got my numbers that I want to graph. So you'll need to obviously do that yourself. Now, the numbers that you want, you need to make sure that you've got them in the right order. So the independent variable needs to be first and the dependent variable needs to be second. So now that I've got my numbers, I'm just going to highlight them and I'll just go to insert up the top and the charts are over here. Now for science, what I usually want is a scatter plot. So I'm just going to click this one with these dots here and that opens up and just pick the top left one. And you can already see that we've made something here. So that's my scatter plot. Now that you've got it, we need to modify a couple of things. So all it's done is essentially the purple side is down the bottom. So I can see 0.98 lines up pretty well down here. So that's just below 1. So the left column is on the bottom where the independent variable should be, and the right column is on the y-axis where the dependent variable should be. So now I want to kind of change my graph a little bit, add a few things. So what I'll do is on the top left it says add chart element. Now I'm going to click that and I'm just going to go to axes titles and I can put in a primary horizontal and you can see what that's changing on the graph. It adds that axis title down here, which I can change afterwards. And I'll go to add chart element again, axis titles. I'll chuck a vertical one in too. So now I've got 2 titles. And the last thing I want to add is down here, trend line. I'll put a linear trend line in here because I've only got 3 data points and they look pretty straight. So you can have different trend lines, but linear is the one that we want for this graph. So that because that fits the data the best. So I'll chuck in linear trend line. So that's my graph. I can click up here and you can just do a few different backgrounds and stuff like that. You can change colors if you like, just to make things a little bit different. So that's essentially my graph. Now all I need to do is change the titles and put in the headings with units. So for example, if this one is the weight of an object, I can put weight and I can put the units there as well. So always remember to put a title and put units there too. And that's it. Good luck with your graph.